our funded and focused feature. One of the challenges that entrepreneurs face is surprisingly not just earning money, but directing the money to grow. At the end of the day, you want to have something to show for your hard work and sacrifice. This is another area that artificial intelligence can support you. As your business grows, AI can help you think strategically. It can analyze sales trends, identify your most profitable products, suggest where to invest more money, and show which marketing strategies are working. And it can also help plan expansion. This is where AI starts to become a business advisor and not just a tool.